Heavy Rain by Revi Mei. I was confused when it started. Rain falls without permission. Is this because we parted? Or the sky is doing its tradition? I was confused when it happened. I do nothing but love. We are already fastened. We fit like a glove. Why? It's my biggest question. You left our biggest mission. You are a loser who left a huge bruiser. I don't know when this rain will stop. Maybe tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, or until I drop. Let me just bleed by this knife, showered by the heaviest rain in my life.